Ako po ay si Colonel Danilo Pamonag na nakatalaga bilang pinuno ng Light Reaction Regiment, isang sangay ng Special Operations Command, Philippine Army. Madalas sa aming mga pagsasanay at operasyon ay kasama namin ang mga pinuno at tauhan ng Special Action Force. Kasama po ang ilan sa ating mga kapatid na ngayon nakahimlay sa ating harapan. Every man and woman in uniform know the three constants of combat, and these are victory, defeat, and death. It is only a matter of who claims victory and who suffers defeat. But almost always, both sides suffer death. Such is our life in the pursuit of peace and in keeping true to our sworn duty of enforcing the law. We live with this knowledge every moment of our uniform lives. We do not claim to be fearless. We only do our best to stand courageous each time we face a daunting task. Today, we say goodbye to 44 courageous Special Action Force operators. They are not only our good friends, not only our good partners, but also our good buddies. To us, your brother in arms, you will never be just a number. You will always be our comrades. We know your names, we know your faces, and we will never forget the times we fought side by side. We will never forget the times we shared good jokes and light moments. Sariwa pa sa aking isipan noong Zamboanga crisis, sila ang isa sa mga unit na atasan kong lumusob at kumuha sa isang objective kung saan mahigit kumulang sa 20 terorista ang nagtatago sa 5 bahayan sa lugar na nagngangalang Tres Alas, kasama ang mga civilian hostages. Sa kanilang pakikipaglaban, 2 miyembro ng Special Action Force ang nasawi. Bagkus, ang katumbas nito ay kaligtasan ang paglaya ng 5 hostages, pagkasawi ng 9 na terorista at kalayaan ng Zamboanga City. They greatly contributed in the clearing of our area of operations, perfectly and courageously carrying out the duties assigned to them. Noong Abril na nakalipas na taon, muli kaming nagkasama ng mga tauhan at pinuno ng Special Action Force sa Cotabato. Isang misyon para tugisin at arestuhin sina Marwan at Basit Usman. Isang misyon na matagal namin pinag-usapan at plinano. Sa mga ganitong sensitibo at critical na misyon, nandyan ang SAF na palagay namin kasama. We have shared the challenges, we have shared victories, and now we, your brothers and your loved ones gathered here, will be sharing the pain of your loss. No, we will not aim to forget just so we can escape the pain. Rather, we will live remembering and learning from the lives you have led, the courage you have shown, and most especially, the honor of your death. It is goodbye for now. Rest in peace. We shall be mourning, we shall grieve, but in time, by keeping the faith, like a true Special Action Force operator, by skills and virtue, we will once again triumph. Sa ating mga kasamahan na ngayon nakahimlay, isang mapayapang paglalakbay patungong langit.